We finally found the Hollywood sign after coming down to SoCal so many times in our lives. No, look. Here it is. There it is. We did it. We did it.
Yes, there it is.
What up, Griffith Park? It's nice to see you. There's the Hollywood sign. Oh,
I've
so
never
quick.
seen it before.
It was like such a quick bleep. Zoom in.
There it is.
Zoom in.
There it is.
There it is. The Hollywood sign. Da da da. Oh, back up a little. Still getting blocked by stuff, but hey, you guys got to see the glimpse of what we got to see.
Oh.
So we are
Hey, Callie, where are we going?
Hollywood forever.
Hollywood forever. We are going to visit Hollywood Graveyard's silver play button, and I'm going to cut in front of traffic because whatever.
YOLO. No, I'm kidding.
No, gosh, no. I mean, this would be the place to do it. But so this sign says, "Please wear a face mask and socially distance yourself." There's nobody here to take a picture. Nobody? Okay. I think I need to go straight ahead and off to the left. But we made it. We're here. Let's go see some dead people. So I think I'm still going the right way.
That must be a groundskeeper. Oh, security.
Yeah. I think this is where we need to go here. Up there.
Because, yeah, he put it behind a case, right?
Yeah. It's in the Valentino niche. And near the Apostles. So, nope, I don't think that's it.
Some construction happening here, building more.
I think I've gone the wrong way.
I think that's probably one of the churches.
All right, we may need to stop.
Hitchcock. Like the Hitchcock?
Yeah, yes,
Like I saw his tomb right over there with a big flower wreath next to it.
yes. We can go over there.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. He lived in Scotts Valley. His house is still there.
Holy shit.
Yeah. Language.
Oh, sorry.
I'm gonna bleep that out.
Follow the main road in, then left at the stop sign. Enter the southeast section of the cemetery. South of the lake is the cathedral.
That's not it.
This is one of the very first must.
That security man was not happy to see us. We're not gonna do anything, we promise. So was he over here? Is that where you saw him?
When we passed by here, yeah, I saw Mickey Rooney right over there somewhere.
Yeah.
Mickey Rooney.
Yeah, that's pretty legit. There he is. Gosh, there's just so many amazing people all in one spot. There he is. So Toto's not actually buried here. Toto is buried under an overpass. But it's Toto. Hi. It's nice to see you. Thank you for letting us come visit. Should we go in?
Yeah,
Sure.
let's go.
it is. We found it. And that's his first camera. It's the camera he did it. This is amazing stained glass. So Valentino is buried around here somewhere too. He's like in here.
Valentino?
Yeah, Rudolph Valentino. The first Hollywood hunk. I done got lost my people, lost my people. Found my people. It's so quiet in here. Yeah, looks like someone broke the window. Thanks, phone. Back behind us, right?
Way back over there.
Yeah, I don't think, I mean, it's not too bad to just loop around.
Yeah.
We'll go find him. There's Hitchcock. He's actually not buried there. His ashes were spread, but that is a place you can go to visit. But he's not actually buried there. But look over there, that's pretty cool.
Whoa. Yeah. Pretty large markers.
What's
The pyramid.
Who is this over here? Hold on, there's a musician over here.
This says Barker.
Over here.
And then to the left.
Yeah. Who's this?
I don't see the name.
Romanian film director. It's Johnny Ramone!
Oh, okay.
What's up, bro? So that was a very short visit to Hollywood Forever. There's those birds again. Hi, birds. Bye, birds. Come on.
Bye, birds.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
We got to get going home, but we wanted to make the stop to check out Arthur's silver play button and post it on the Soch, which we did. And see some famous faces. Well, what's left of their face. That was bad. Anyway, thank you for coming with me. See you later.
So, Callie here. Just wanted to bring this back in real quick. The palm trees are blocking them again. We got so close to decide again.